Hello students, welcome back in our new online video class. This is Somitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of LPM Public School. Students, in the previous video lecture, I have told you that we are studying English Literature and chapter number 2. Students, the name of chapter number 2 is A Light for the Palace Fire. Okay, in the previous video lecture, we have discussed from a long time ago to fire in this way. ये हमने previous video lecture में यहाँ तक cover कर लिया था. I will give you a quick revision about this paragraph. Once upon a time, there was a king. There was a huge palace at the top of a hill. A fire always burned in the palace and kept it warm. It was the most useful fire in the palace. One day the fire suddenly stopped burning and no one was able to light it again. Student, there was a huge palace at the top of a hill, and a fire always burned in the palace and kept it warm. So that's why this fire was the most useful fire in the palace. But what happened one day? One day the fire suddenly stopped burning, and there was no one who was able to light it again. Now the whole palace was in darkness, so the people said that the fire had died because the people in the palace were always quarreling. Others said that it had gone out because the winter that year was very cold. People were assuming that the reason behind the stopping of fire was because of the quarreling between the people of the palace, and other people said that it had stopped. Why? Because of the winter season. Now everyone in the palace was freezing and longed for the fire to burn. Now every person in the palace was becoming freeze and they wished for the fire to burn it again. So the king ordered the messenger, "Go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, go inside and ask for some embers to bring back to the palace. Maybe we can light our fire in this way." Due to the freezing of the people, the king ordered his one messenger to go down the hill road and find out a house in which a fire was burning and asked for some embers. What is the meaning of ember, student? Ember means burning coal. He asked for some embers to bring back to the palace so that they can light fire in that way. Okay, this was discussed by us in the previous video lecture, but in this video lecture we are covering the remaining story of the chapter. So students, let's start. So the messenger with a big iron lantern for holding coal set off in the bitter cold. Students, when the king ordered his messenger to go down the hill, messenger took a iron lantern for holding coal and went for in the bitter cold in a village. Okay, now a light for the palace fire, he called as he went. A light for the palace fire. Who will give me some coal to light the palace fire? When he went down the hill road, he asked for a light for the palace fire, and he called that who will give him some coal to light the palace fire. वो गांव में जाके हिल रोड के नीचे जाके लोगों से ये पूछता है कि who will give him some coal to light the palace fire. पैलेस फायर को जलाने के लिए कौन उसे कोल देगा. ओके, नाउ here is some glowing coal for you, said a man. Okay, when the messenger asked for light, a man replied that here is some glowing coal for you, but tell the king that I want gold pieces in return for these lumps of coal. Okay, students, a man replied the messenger that he was ready to give him some coal to light the palace fire, but there was a condition of our old man. What was the condition? The condition was that he wanted some gold pieces in return for these lumps of coal. This was the condition of old man. He wanted some gold pieces. वो राजा से कुछ gold pieces चाहता था in return for these lumps of coal. Now what happened next? So the messenger put the coal inside his lantern and turned to go back to the palace. When a man was ready to give him coal, he demand some gold pieces. Messenger was agreed, वो सहमत हो जाता है, and put the coal inside his lantern and turned to go back to the palace. और मैसेंजर ने क्या किया? ही पुट द कोल इनसाइड हिज लालटेन. वो जलते हुए कोयले को लालटेन में रखता है एंड टर्न टू गो बैक टू द पैलेस, एंड ही वॉज रेडी टू गो बैक टू द पैलेस. ओके, however the coal soon turned cold and grey and he had to throw it away. But what happened? The coal soon turned cold. जो कोल उसने लिया था वो ठंडा पड़ जाता है, वो बुझ जाता है. Coal soon turned cold and grey, okay, and it turns into ashes and he had to throw it away. When the coal turned into ashes, he had to throw it away. जब वो ऐश में बदल जाता है, राख में बदल जाता है, he had to throw it away, okay, उसे वो फेंकना पड़ जाता है. Now he had to search for burning coal once again. Okay, now he had not any coal, so he had to go in search of coal once again. Now then a woman called Gina agreed to give him some coal from her fireplace. Okay, now a woman whose name was Gina, she was agreed to give him some coal from her fireplace. Okay, now Gina was ready to give him some coal from her fireplace. However, in return, she wanted the king to make her father the captain of the guards. But Gina had also a condition. Gina had also a condition. What was the condition? She wanted the king to make her father the captain of the guards. This was the condition of woman. The messenger took some burning coal from the fireplace, put it in his lantern, and set off for the palace. When the woman demand for his condition, messenger was agreed. Now the messenger took some burning coal from the fireplace and he put it in his lantern, and he was ready to go back to the palace. However, However, soon he saw that the coal from Gina's fireplace was no longer burning. It had turned to grey ash, so he threw it away and set off again in search of some coal. However, soon he saw that the coal from Gina's fireplace was no longer burning. Students, after some time when he was returning back to the palace, he saw that the coal from Gina's fireplace was no longer burning. The coal was also stopped burning. वो भी जलना बंद कर दी थी. It had turned to grey ash. It also turned into grey ashes. So he threw it away and set off again in search of some coal. So the messenger has to throw it away and set off, means he went again in search of some another coal. Okay students, now what happened next? At last he came to a cottage at the foot of the hill. The door opened at once when he knocked. There was a little girl inside stirring porridge over a small fire. At last, in the end, he came to a cottage at the foot of the hill. At the foot of the hill, he came to a cottage. Cottage means a small house. He opened the door. When he knocked it, there was a little girl inside, stirring porridge over a small fire. In the cottage, there was a little girl. She was stirring porridge over a small fire. Okay, वो अपने घर में porridge बना रही थी. A light for the palace fire, she repeated when the messenger told her what he wanted. Okay, she repeated when the messenger told her what he wanted. जो वो चाहता है, ठीक है, यानी वो बर्निंग कोल चाहता था. इस बात को वो रिपीट करते हुए कहती है, a light for the palace fire. You may have as much coal as you like, she said. Okay, she replied that he might have as much coal as he like. Okay, वो उतना जो कोल वो चाहता है, ठीक है, उसे वो उतना वो कोल वहाँ से ले जा सकता है. Do sit down thou, warm yourself and have a bowl of porridge before you start out in the cold again. Okay, the little girl requested the messenger that to stay some time in the cottage, and she also offered a bowl of porridge. Okay, then you may have half of our fire of the king needs it. Okay, then the little girl said to messenger that he may have half of her fire if the king needs it. Okay students, that's it for the students. And in the next video lecture we will cover the remaining part of the story. Till then you will revise it in your home and make practice. Thank you students.